Good morning, class 2. Now tell me, how are you? I hope you are all well and you are doing very well at home. Okay. Now tell me, what are you doing now at home? Okay, grammar. Now it's your English grammar class, and now in this class we will learn how to use a and the. Okay. Open at page number 54 of your grammar book, and remember, you have to read the rules carefully and also read the examples where a is used or an is used or the is used. Okay, we have learned the use of a and an in class 1, but now in this class, in class 2, a and the use of the. Okay, is that clear? So now a, where do we use a? Okay, first rules for you. Remember and listen to me very carefully. A is used before consonant, before the word that begins with a consonant sound. We have also read in class 1 like a book, a car, etc. Okay, a book, a car, etc. because they are consonant. Next, an is used before the word that begins with a vowel sound. Vowel sound দিয়ে শুরু হলো, আমরা and প্রেস করব তার আগে, যেমন দেখো, and what are the 5 vowels? Can you remember what are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So an apple, an orange, okay, an igloo. Okay, আমরা পড়েছিলাম না? Okay, so these are an. Next, a is used before European, uniform, unicorn, U. Why? Remember, these are also vowels. E, U, U, also vowels. But remember, we use an. We use a before European, uniform, and unicorn. Why? Because this sounds as U. Okay. যখন ইউ উচ্চারণ হবে ইউ, তখন আমরা তার আগে ভাওয়েল দিয়ে শুরু হলেও if it is pronounced as you, then we put a before the words, like a European, a uniform, a unicorn. আর একটা হয় e w e u. Can you tell me? You na, it is pronounced as you, so a, like dash unit. Can you tell me? Unit. U, so a unit, but remember u is also vowel, but it is pronounced as u, so we put a. Okay, this is the new rule for you. Now, so another rules, and is used before our, honor, and honest. Why? H consonant, but we use an. Do you know why? Our. Remember, we use an before the silent H. Like our H is not pronounced; it is silent. So the proper pronunciation is our, not our. Okay, our. So we use an, our. We have also read the story an honest woodcutter. So honest, an honest boy, an honest woodcutter, an honest judge. So an honest, honor. Okay, an honorable man, an honorable person, we can say. Okay, an honorable teacher. So honor, the proper pronunciation is honor. The proper pronunciation is our, not honest. Honest. Okay, is that clear? But remember also, if the pronunciation of H is like Bengali ho, যদি বেঙ্গলি হয়ের মতন উচ্চারণ হয়, তাহলে কিন্তু আর তখন আমরা অ্যান ইউজ করি না। যেমন দেখো, ড্যাশ হাম্বল বয়, ওকে, এ হাম্বল বয়। ওকে, তখন আর অ্যান হয় না, because it is not pronounced as humble, it is pronounced as humble. আর একটা হয় h দিয়ে দেখো, h e i r, the proper pronunciation is air, not hair, so an air. Okay, is that clear? So these are the rules of a and. Now next, it's a new topic for you, how to use the. Okay, remember, the refers to any particular thing or any particular place, any particular thing. Okay, যে কোনো বিশেষ জিনিস or any specific name, যে কোনো বিশেষ জিনিস বিশেষ নামের আগে আমরা দা ইউজ করতে পারি। ওকে, ফার্স্ট like দেখো, we took him to dash hospital. Hospital, we know what is going on a hospital. Hospital e ki kaaj hoy and why a hospital is built in our society. It is the specific or place or particular place. So we took him to the hospital. School বন্ধ থাকলে আমরা বলতে পারি the school is closed today. These are the particular. Okay, the post office, the bank, particular name of anything. এদের এক একটা বিশেষ কাজ হয়, ওই জন্য এদেরকে দা ইউজ করা হয়। নেক্সট রুলস, before a word that has already been mentioned, like for example, second rules, before a word that has already been mentioned, like Rina gave me a book. Dash book is new. Okay, so the second example, Rina gave me a book. Dash book is new. Remember, in the first sentence we have mentioned the book. Okay, so now we use the definite article the. So the book is new. Is that clear? We use the because it is mentioned before. Next, before the thing that is only one in the universe. এই সারা বিশ্বে একমাত্র একটা করে আছে, কি আছে? সান। কটা আছে সারা বিশ্বে? the sun. আর কি আছে? একটাই, the moon. Remember also the direction of any east, west, north, south, সব দা হয়। the east, the west, the north, the south, the stars. Okay, আমরা আরো ইউজ করি the rain, the wind or the. Okay, because there are only one in the universe or unique. Unique মানে একমাত্র একটাই আছে ইউনিভার্সে। Next rules, before the name of mountain range, rivers, holy books, musical instruments and newspaper. একটা একটা করে एग्जांपल দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, তোমাদের বুকে দেওয়া আছে, ভালো করে পড়বে। Is that clear? Before the names of mountain range, like the Himalayas, it is the name of mountain range, the Himalayas. Okay, mountain range তাহলে complete. Next, river, the Ganga. Okay, or Ganges যে যেমন ভাবে বলে, the Ganga, name of river, the Damodar. Okay, the Yamuna. Okay, next, holy books, the Quran or the Bible. The Quran, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Okay, holy books. Musical instruments সবসময় মনে রাখবে, the harmonium. the harmonium হয়, the piano হয়, the tabla হয়। Okay, the tabla, the piano, the harmonium, the flute, যারা বাঁশি বাজায়। নেক্সট, নিউজপেপার। দেখবে ইংলিশ নিউজপেপারের নামের আগে সবসময় দা দেওয়া থাকে, যেমন দ্য স্টেটসম্যান, দ্য টেলিগ্রাফ, দ্য স্টেটসম্যান। দেখবে সবসময় দা দেওয়া থাকে যে কোনো নিউজপেপারের আগে দা। Okay, so read carefully and also remember, read the revisions also. Okay, male and female nouns. Okay, so now that's the end of the class. Thank you. Tata.